I am trying to pull video footage off of my security cameras for the officers about several incidences that have happened on the property. Now you see these blue dots? These are the days that are recording. So up until the 24th, which was Friday, everything has been erased off of my cameras. So someone reset my entire system on the 24th. On Friday the 24th, and there's no video footage for the cameras from the 24th to present. Now, of course, it's still on the hard drive. It didn't wipe the hard drive. It just reset the entire system where I can't pull it up through this interface. So what I'm going to do is take the hard drive and directly transfer all footage and data, which is going to be extremely hard to go through to pinpoint the specific dates and times and things that I need, not being able to use the entire user interface, but just to go to show the lengths that people are going through and the shit that they're doing to keep the law enforcement from being able to track their activity and all the felonies that they're committing, because this is going to be reported to the FBI Cybercrimes Unit. And being that this is not plugged into any Wi-Fi at all, it's just plugged into the machine, they had to use radio waves to access the modem to get into my security system and reset it. But the footage is not lost, it's still on the hard drives, unless the hard drive was wiped when they reset it, which I'm going to check, but just to show the bullshit that I'm having to constantly deal with. And again, these ain't no rookies. This is organized crime involving law enforcement and military that is doing this mess. But now, the only footage I have is from the 24th, which is exact to today's date. So it's about a week, when all the footage prior on this is no longer accessible through the software interface because the entire system had been reset. I did not do that. But unless they reset it and completely wipe the hard drive, the data is still there. So I'll still be able to recover it. But this is some bullshit, and this is more these good old boys playing games and thinking they can circumvent justice. And no, it's not going to go down like this.